A very good morning once again and a heartfelt welcome to the Mahakaruna Divas celebration 2025. With profound joy and happiness, as an alumnus of MIC, I, Kesam Wangmo, feel highly privileged to welcome you all to this sacred occasion. On behalf of my revered teacher, Venerable Bhikkhu Sanghasena, and the organizing committee, I express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for sparing your precious time to be with us this morning. Dear friends, with immense gratitude, may this day be a source of inspiration, peace and wisdom. May this day guide us towards higher ideals in life and encourage us to embrace Mahakaruna, the great compassion in action, as a
Vision 2025. May the life that we live today serve as a beacon of hope, unity and inspiration for all of us. Let it remind all of us the great teachings of Mahakaruna, the great teachings of compassion in action as taught by
I would like to wish our most revered Guruji, Venerable Bhikkhu Sanghasena, a very happy birthday. And the prayer of compassion goes like, O Lord Buddha, the embodiment of compassion and wisdom, please accept our most reverential salutation at your lotus feet. Kindly bestow your
comes
blessing.
to an end and we stand on the threshold of 2025. I offer my heartfelt greetings to you all, along with my earnest prayers for world peace, greater understanding, deeper harmony and widespread prosperity, both spiritual and material. This is the time for reflecting on the year gone by and for making resolutions for the year ahead. It is a time for renewal, for shedding the burdens of the past and for embracing the manifold opportunities that the future holds. I faithfully call upon the supremely enlightened masters of the 10 directions and of the past, present.
The land of Lamas. There was an ordinary monk who was determined to spend his time and energies in meditating and living a life of seclusion, like a typical monk. But the desire to spread the teachings of Lord Buddha led him to establish the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, which has been undertaking spiritual, humanitarian, social, cultural, and environmental projects for the last 3 years.
We write the names of each awardees and I request everyone to come forward. First and foremost, I will request on behalf of Advocate Tashi Gansande, Honorable Chairman, Chief Executive Councillor, I express appreciation for his vast and outstanding contribution towards compassionate leadership and governance and fostering a holistic development for the communities of Ladakh. Honorable Executive Councillor. After this, may I visit undertaken by MIMC. May I now request, after this, Dr. Kashi Jinglesle, Honorable Director Health and Services, Union Territory of Ladakh. Dr. Kashi. After this, Pitaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh. Professor, please. I will now request Major Amandeep Singh Ji from 153GH to kindly come here to receive an award on behalf of OC 153 General Hospital, Colonel Ravdeep Singh Sohag. I will request Ms. Memorial Hospital Lead, Ms. Trin Chospende, Secretary.
अर्ज करता हूँ। तो जैसा कि हम सबको मालूम है, हमारे अल्लाह ताला कुरान करीम में फरमाते हैं कि कुल्लु यौमिन हुवा फी शान, हर दिन के लिए अलग शान है, हर दिन बराबर नहीं है। तो आज के दिन एक ऐसी बाबरकत और खुशी का दिन है जिस दिन सबसे पहले महाकोरोना दिवस का डे मना रहे हैं और इसी तरह हमारे संगा सिन्हा जी का 67 बर्थडे और इसी तरह हमारे नया साल लोसर हो, चाहे हमारे लिए जनवरी का ये नया साल 2025, तो हमारे इस्लामी कैलेंडर के मुताबिक हमारे ये महीना जो है बहुत अच्छे महीना गिना जाते हैं। तो ये सब अय्याम, इन दिन का एक साथ आना, तो ये अल्लाह भगवान और खुदा गुंजो का एक लुत्फ करम है। तो आज के दिन हम ये इरादा करते हैं, सबसे पहले तो जनाब संगा सिन्हा जी का बर्थडे यौम पैदाइश है, तो हम सबको दुआ करना चाहिए कि संगा सिन्हा जी जैसे शख्सियत मखसूसन हमारे लिए लद्दाख में एक नमूना आइडियल है, जिन्होंने न फकत इंसानों के हमदर्द, भाईचारगी, इत्तेहाद के लिए जद्दोजहद किया, बल्कि इन्होंने क्लाइमेट के लिहाज से हो और हर मजहब को जुड़ने के लिए हर मुश्किलात सख्तियों में, चाहे हमारे
Brent Sangasena le angata hai ladas kampe chupsti hate na khas doing mashikapa changme chupsti nirang bombarik and happy birthday sir. Just to let everybody understand what I'm saying, I'm just going to speak in English a little bit. So in the book of Matthew, Jesus Christ says these very beautiful words, which was later quoted by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi as well. You have heard it was said, an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. But I say to you, do not resist the one who does evil. But if anyone slaps you on the right cheek, turn to him the other also. And if anyone would sue you and take your tunic, let him have the cloak as well. And if anyone forces you to go 1 mile, go with him 2 miles. Give to the one who begs from you, and do not refuse the one who would borrow from you. You have heard that it was said, you shall love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But I say to you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you, so that you may be sons of your Father who is in heaven. For he makes his sun rise on the evil and the good, and sends the rain on the just and the unjust. For if you love those who love you, what reward?
Inna dri dadbo successes migulbo ten ma karune diwas yang nas ninje chinmeja ninje chinmo juachi so ninje chinmo semchani pia skopasang ka zadim sistang isuk zadim mun ma mangko chokan ma mangko jigyong ran innang te tuskapsi nanga zadim mun zadgo tamshi nanga tozdur tamshi na butesi te toksi na lukskun ngatanga yang na yang itoksi tongon ma mangko jigino innang dasana ta I tuskap ganta chik tuskapsi na kazuga I zadim go talik justeyo tenna no speste Mahakaruna Diwasi I jaga Mahabodhi Meditation Center chokna chi laksi chitok pia mirik thundeli pia senten sambe diski pia chi chagla shi zade zerkan go chi tamai matang sangma kazwa dajing hala ika sungshat tarkan tikti mola tembanam gyan sanga sena udate tat mana te chagla kun mana khuli kitab tembanam chulla matang sangme dunla masasal yotena.
I want to wish Most Venerable Sangasena Ji a very happy birthday on behalf of the Ladakh Buddhist Association and all the Buddhists of Ladakh. Venerable Sangasena Ji's
works have touched all aspects of our life. Karuna in action means not just giving sermons or teachings, but doing it practically, which our Guruji is doing for the last so many years. In today's world, where there is chaos all over the world, there is war raging in many parts of the world, in Europe, in the Middle East, in many parts of Africa, in Myanmar. Lord Buddha's teachings is most relevant today.
जी Ladakh Buddhist Association, President of Ladakh Buddhist and some religious organization head juxtio and some guest kyoto na samala Ma Karuna Divas Jaga ye Ladakh Asmo Rilung Yarkas Lansos Lechorne Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha Sena Khela Ingta Pane Tashi Derek Dang Janamdin ki Hardik Shubhkamnaएं जुजे से Ladakh Asmo Rilung Yarkas Lansos Lechorne Yes, bila pampek majua sampai sangalani gen lagi tapan tuje chejun ring samji ka guest skotyo na yang samji ngata alag region ne skotyo na army personnel sama mapos kote tu ngatam sama gen ne na po samji connect songs te in lo samji ne phalain lo mam lo chik man lo ngis man lo chu chuan ne phalaya lo sumchu soma jipchu jing ne phala gen le ka ngata Mahabodhi International Center Bozats tene phallang atam sangwa tugizino kane karole wale diring sangme sangala nge genlea Ladakh Raskon region rajas nansos lechorne mubarak de bejuin jibe zena diring Mahabodhi International Center bo te sospajik ka sospa zamling dane ka ngata mingo phelte hodare to jaga chikman jaga nisman mane zamling gangpena Gelle maken ka jime to samjig ngata international miyot nang international ngata countries samjig yot nang har jaga connection tenna hisab po ngata Ladakh sen mimang samjig use de nang nge samara khone phanto po Ladakh sen mimang sangma bat daksa ngata tukyo sino Ladakh pa mimang ngata samjig use de nang ngata jaw moses ngendung nang sa na Mahabodhi na silkan Mahabodhi na connect zatkan ya Mahabodhi kene phantok matok kanjik nge samara diving Ladakh pachik jam.
As you already have heard and have seen in these short documentaries, I don't need to repeat those things. The main objective of the Mahakaruna Divas. Mahakaruna is the heart of Buddha's teachings, and today we see countless problems, conflicts, war, violence. If you meditate carefully, think deeply, we will come to know clearly this is due to the lack of compassion, the universal compassion. Not Buddhist compassion, not Indian compassion, but universal compassion. Universal compassion means care, concern, respect, regards for all human beings, all living beings, including Mother Earth and the plant nature. If every human beings develop at least to certain level this universal compassion, care and respect, regards, love and compassion for each other, the world will be different. All the violence, war will not be there. As you have heard, आपने सुना है, His Holiness Acharya Lokesh Muni का स्पीच में सुना है, महात्मा गांधी जी को पूछा गया है कि आज के समय में सबसे बड़ा संकट क्या है, तो महात्मा गांधी ने बताया है कि आज के सबसे बड़े संकट है मनुष्यों के हृदय में करुणा का सागर सूख रहा है। The compassion is drying up in the human hearts. ये सबसे बड़ा संकट है, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है।